Hello everyone. As a part of internship program under Exposys Data Labs, topic is used to create a multi-page responsive website. Now, responsive in web design means it is an approach to building a website that considers the different types of devices that a visitor might we use to access the site. Responsive web design adjusts how the content on the page is displayed according to the dimensions of the device's screen. Now, in our project, we have considered an online course platform where we provide the YouTube videos of our fellow members explaining the hands-on programming sessions and a lecture notes and the textbook materials for a particular subject or a course. Now, next we have a 5 basic pages. First page is a home page, learning community, the art of growing the technologies, and a simple why choose us, and a simple one line explanation about us, and the quick links and the newsletter, subscribing for latest courses where you can provide a mail and then subscribe it. Next you have the about page, a word about us and the platform where we can spend time to learn the courses and have a hands-on experience on projects. Next, you have the materials page. In this material page, as of now, we have added a 6 courses. When you click on this checkout button, it goes to the Google Drive. In this Google Drive, we have uploaded a separate folders where it contains the materials. For example, check this machine learning. You can see the textbook and the lecture notes and the PDF materials. Now, next, when you click on the web development, you can have a module wise notes of that particular courses. And then after the material page, next you have the video page. In this video page, it basically gives a hands-on experience on programming by explained by our fellow members. For example, when you check on the data science, you can see data science projects. This is a basic prediction using the supervised ML. Now, when you check out the second video, machine learning, it redirects to the machine learning programming session. Web development, you can check out a video based on a banking system. Next, this is the video page. In the contact page, you can provide the basic details about your name, mail address, passwords. When password will be generated once you log in, and the message, what you want us to do, or any query you have. This is a contact page. Now, for the main task here is to give the responsive website. So I will show you one of my previous project. In this, we haven't done according to a responsive website. See, when you adjust the screen, the headings, the top bar navigation, and the wordings and all are jumbled. It is not aligned, and the content is not according to the display of the device's screen. As you can see here, see the content. When you shrink the size of the screen, when it is going to the other device screen, the data, the content will be not according to the aligned one. Now, when you see our project, when you try to shrink the size, it is aligned and the content is not messed up or jumbled. As you can see, this is the materials page. Even you can check out the video page. As you shrink the size, it is aligned. Even the contact page. Even the home page. The content is aligned to the screen of the display. Even the about page. The content is aligned onto the display screen according to the dimensions of the device screen. This is called a responsive website. Now in PHPMyAdmin, we have created a basic 3 tables. History. In history table, you can see a name of a person, and then a course number, how many courses they have taken, and the login page you have the name, email address, password, and ID, and a student basic student details like name, email address, number, course name, and the ID is given to a particular student. This is the basic demo of our project. Now let's see the, we have coded the in Sublime Text Editor. First you have style.css, all the styling, background images, color, font size, navigations, and media queries, text import, and all the jQueries have done in the style.css. Home.html is the first page where you get the navigations to the other pages and email to subscribe to our courses. About HTML, it basically tells about the platform, what we are going to learn, and the trending technologies. In this page, you will learn about what all the courses are there, and go to the checkout page for the Google Drive where you find the notes. In this plan.html, it redirects to the YouTube videos, which is explained by our fellow members. Contact HTML about the contact page and the phone numbers, and basic details will collect from a student like name, email address, and a script.js to read the function. We have done it in a Sublime.text editor.